Hands-on demonstration on summary statistics. Coefficient of variation.
Okay, let's now proceed sa ating 10 na natin na worksheet. Okay? So we now have CV na worksheet or the coefficient of variation. Ayan, so we now have here yung example. Ayan, so dapat natatandaan nyo to dahil itong exact same na image na to ay kinuha doon sa ating PowerPoint. So how are we gonna compute for the coefficient of variation? By the way, itong ating data ay for the stock price 1 and 2. We have here the mean price and the standard deviation. So, paano kinocompute ang coefficient of variation rather? It is the quotient noong standard deviation and the mean multiplied by 100. Okay, so baka siya naka-multiplied by 100, naka-express yung coefficient of variation in percent. So, equal. Yan. So, type in ko lang yung formula na given na here sa cell A5. So, given na yung formula ng CV, equal sign, open parenthesis, standard deviation divided by the mean multiplied by 100. And we now have here the coefficient of variation for stock 1 and the coefficient of variation for stock 2. So, kinopy ko lang yung formula. Ayan, pag dinouble click nyo naman, makikita nyo na tama yung formula sa cell. Ang numerator natin ay si standard deviation na cell C3, denominator ay si cell B3 for the mean price for the stock 2. Then multiply it by 100, we now have the coefficient of variation for stock 2. Okay, so let us now interpret. Ayan, so given na rin here yung formula sa ating example ng coefficient of variation and doon sa example ng ating lecture yesterday. So for coefficient of variation, first one rather, so 29.3% and for stock 2, 15%. So stock 1 is more variable than stock 2. So we have here questions. You are a conservative investor. Which stock will you choose and why? So pag conservative, anong kukunin natin? Siyempre si stock 2 dahil less variable siya. Okay? So pag aggressive naman po tayo investor, so anong stock yung kukunin natin? Siyempre si stock 1 naman dahil mas variable yung ating data doon sa stock 1. Okay, so clear po ba tayo? Ganun lang kadali yung pag-compute ng coefficient of variation. Kaya nauna si mean kanina and si standard deviation dahil ang patutunguhan nun ay coefficient of variation.